Hi guys, I would like to tell you that for now and later, we are going to use Visual Studio Code for editing our project. But if you have already installed another code editor like PyCharm or maybe like WebStorm, JetBrains, as long as you understand with your code editor, you are free to go. But I would like to suggest you to install the Visual Studio Code so it will be easy for you to start learning this course. And then at the end of the day, you might return back with your previous code editor. So right now, if you see on your screens, we are going to open Google and we want to search for Visual Studio Code. Because I'm using WSL because I'm using Windows, I'm going to activate in my terminal. But first of all, what you are going to do in your own host machines, you just need to download this one and make sure to install it to select based on your machines. If you are using Mac, you just need to go here. If you are using Linux, you can download it here. If you are using Windows, you can use this one. And afterwards, it will download it for you automatically. Then you need to install it by clicking this installation. I already have it inside my machine, so I'm not going to install it again. What I need to do now is, after making sure that everything is installed in your machines, you come back to your terminal and inside your project, you need to open your editor. I already integrated my Visual Studio Code inside my terminal, so I can open it directly through my project by using this code. This means I'm going to open Visual Studio Code with this command because I already set it inside my path. If you first time not know how to link it with your path, you can search it through Google because I think it's not too big deal with this one. You can find it because so many YouTube right there that will show you how to do this directly. All right. So first time we open the Visual Studio Code inside our projects, you will see that we have one folder. This is our Python environment, which already been activated it. And also with this file, this comes from py.env because we set this project with Python versions of 3.10.5. So, what I want to show you, if you are using WSL, you need to integrate this Visual Studio Code with your WSL by installing WSL extensions in here. You just need to type WSL here, then you need to install this one. Otherwise, it would not work with your machine. The other things that I would like to inform you that some dependencies here, some extension here that you need to install is Flake 8 because I'm using this one, and also Black Formatter because I'm also using this one, and also AutoPep 8. Please install it if you first time starting using Windows Visual Studio Code. And then the last one is material icon. Yeah, material icon, this one. You need to install this. So this will make your project folder and files looks better with this material icon theme. But this is not compulsory. If you feel that you have another theme, yeah, you are free to go.